We started a couple of years ago to diversify our customer base, and we looked at what some of these large enterprises were doing and the investments they were making in networking technology and infrastructure. We discovered that there's some pretty advanced and pretty large networks going on there, areas that were consuming the kinds of products that Nokia would build for our service provider customers. So we launched an initiative led by Nuage around private cloud and SD-WAN, but including the rest of the portfolio to address a class of customers who are really building large enterprise networks at scale. They've got a sophisticated staff on premise that have the capability to really discern the differentiators that we bring to the table in the service provider market. We started selling Nuage into the enterprise space from zero about 3 years ago. At that time we were going up against some pretty big industry titans, the likes of VMware and Cisco as an unknown. We worked our way into a few deals. We've closed 60 logos, and those deals initially started out as what we'd call production pilots. So we'd go in, we'd talk to the architecture team, they would put a small order to get a one rack of a cloud up to sell to their end development community. And that is now beginning to move from the initial architectural design to production pilot to test in their development community to a full-blown production environment. And that's where the orders are really starting to scale, and we're seeing that come in our largest customers. We've added to that data center solution to begin to sell with branches with the SD-WAN, as well as some internal extranet use cases. That business has picked up significantly, and in that space we're actually co-selling with our service provider partners. So the likes of BT with their Agile Connect product, we're going in co-selling with their sales team and having a lot of success driving a technology preference for Nuage with our end customer base.